Have you ever imagined running your own NP private practice? It's a big dream, and guess what? It's completely possible. Many nurse practitioners are breaking away from traditional roles and building practices that give them autonomy, the chance to serve patients on their own terms. If you're wondering where to start, don't worry. I'll break it down step by step, from planning and legal setup to marketing and operations. Whether you're just beginning your NP journey or about to graduate, this video will inspire you to confidently step into owning your own practice. First things first, you want to make sure you're fully prepared. Researching your local market and understanding the healthcare needs of your community is crucial. Know what your competitors are offering and pinpoint where you can stand out. You might ask yourself, what is missing in my area? What services do patients need that I can provide? This is also the time to dig into the legal and regulatory landscape. Different states have different regulations for NPs opening private practices. So take time to understand your state's requirements. You don't want any surprises down the road. Next, you'll need to create a solid business plan. This will help outline the goals, marketing strategy, and most importantly, your finances. I know numbers aren't always the most exciting part, but a business plan is your roadmap to success. It helps you stay on track. Some key components to include are your mission and vision for the practice, how you plan to manage the financials, and what tools and systems you'll need. This plan will guide your decisions and help you approach potential investors or partners if necessary. You might already have your NP license, but to open your own practice, there are additional requirements and certifications. Depending on where you're located, you may need to obtain prescriptive authority or a supervisory agreement. Be sure to consult your state's licensing board or legal counsel to make sure everything is in order. Okay, now for the fun part, setting up your office. Whether you plan to rent a space or work from home, make sure it's professional and comfortable. You'll want to ensure that you have the right equipment for patient care, but also keep in mind the ambience you want to create. Remember, your office should reflect the atmosphere of care you want to provide to your patients. Building your patient base takes time, but it starts with good marketing. Whether it's word of mouth, social media, or building relationships with local healthcare providers, your reputation will be your biggest asset. Make sure your marketing efforts are consistent, professional, and reflect your expertise. Lastly, financial management is everything. You'll need to set up your business accounting and payment systems, track income and expenses, and make sure you're covered in case of insurance issues. Many NPs choose to hire an accountant or bookkeeper to help keep track of the numbers. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it. The freedom and autonomy that come with running your own NP practice are well worth the effort. Starting your own NP practice may seem daunting, but with the right planning and support, it's absolutely achievable. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. If you're just starting out or looking for a preceptor to help you gain valuable experience before launching your practice, NPHub is here to guide you through the process.